Assalamu Alaikum folks, this is your host Ayaz Haider. In today's video, I'll be giving you a mod of the Fawcettino Box R11 script that supports the payment in XLM coins. So the R118 script that is the latest right now on the date of recording this video did not support the payment in XLM coin. So I've modified the script and I have added XLM for withdrawals or the payments. And now you can download it through the link in the description below. So once you download it, you're going to upload it into your public_html folder or your domain root, and now you're going to select it and you're going to extract it. Once you extract it, you're going to click on reload, and now you're going to open this file folder, and now you're going to move these files back into your domain root. And once you do that, you're going to click on up one level, and now you're going to add your database credentials in the config.php file. I have already created a database, so I'm not going to be creating another database right now. So once you enter the details, you're going to click on save changes, and now let's open this website and see what happens. So as you can see, the website has been created, and now we're going to copy this password, and now I'm going to click here, and now I'm going to log in with the password that I just copied and click on login. And as you can see that in this service, it is selected by default in faucetpay.io, and you can see the XLM currency over here. So now I'm going to disallow claiming with email. I'm going to enter my service API key and also the captcha details, and I'm going to show that it actually pays. So by default, the website is deactivated or disabled, and that is because I do not have any service API key, nor have I set up a captcha. So let me set up those and I'll see you later. So as you can see, I have added the service API key, and this API key I have just generated it for the sake of this video, and I'm not going to be using it for any kind of commercial purposes, and I'm probably going to delete it after creating these videos. And now once I go back to the faucet and I hit refresh, you can see that the website has been activated. So let's fill in the captcha, fill in our email, and see if it actually pays in XLM or not. So now let's click on get reward. So as you can see that 10 satoshis were sent to me on Faucet Pay. So let's go back to Faucet Pay and hit refresh. So once I scroll down, you can see that Mod Faucets has sent me 10 XLM coins, and today is 4th of July. So maybe I'm going to upload this video later on, but you can see that the other scripts and this script is also working, and all the coins are being paid incorrectly. So this was all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.